The future needs sustainable choices. Green energy is one of the answers. After 20 years' experience in recycling, Palmieri has developed PASS, suitable for waste treatment plants. PASS, Palmieri Advanced Splitting System, is 3 machines in one: pre-shredder, iron remover, and squeezer. This system, designed to increase the productivity during the pre-treatment of organic waste, depackaging and industrial waste, is entirely made by Palmieri. PASS is compact and easy to be installed everywhere, settled up and monitored from remote. The waste enters from above into the pre-shredder module. That, thanks to its adjustability, allows the pre-treatments of several kinds of waste. The iron remover module, by means of a magnetic drum, separates the ferromagnetic materials and ejects them outside. The squeezer module sorts out the solid waste from the organic fraction to get a mashed waste suitable for the production of biogas. Finally, PASS sorts out and ejects the plastic and the light materials to be recycled as well. PASS is multifunctional. Shreds, removes iron, and divides the solid parts from waste. PASS is compact, less space for more functions. PASS is tough. Thanks to the used materials, it is strongly resistant to corrosion. PASS allows easy maintenance. The simple access to almost all parts of the machine makes the maintenance easier. The PASS software helps your activities towards Industry 4.0. The software monitors the machine from remote, collects and records all the data, and can be easily connected to the plant supervisor software. Producing biogas is easier and faster.